Oh. If we take this bird in with its broken leg, we could nurse it, she said. Come inside for a little lie down with me. And if you fall asleep, it wouldn't be the worst thing. But when I wake up, your makeup is on my shoulder. And tell me if I lie down, would you stay now? Let me hold ya. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird. Take a walk out in the morning dew. We could lay down so I'm next to you, and come inside for a little homemade tea. And if you fall asleep, then at least you're next to me. And if I wake up, you see it's late, love, go back to sleep. I'm covered by nature, and I'm safe now underneath this oak tree with you beside me. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, and I'll owe it all to you. Oh, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird, my little bird. And of all these things, I'm sure I'm not quite certain of your love. And you make me scream, then I made you cry when I left that little bird with its broken leg to die. But if I kiss you, will your mouth read this truth? Darling, how I miss you. Strawberries taste how lips do, and it's not complete yet. Mustn't get our feet wet, cause that leads to regret. Diving in too soon, but I'll owe it all to you.